Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if Apple Music is not available in your country. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, first of all, open your settings, and from here you will have to tap on general, and from here tap on software update, and from here you will have to update your software to the latest version of iOS. So guys, update your software to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to open your settings again, and from here tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and from here you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN in your device, disconnect it and check whether the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to open your settings again. From here you will have to tap on general, and from here tap on language and region, and from here tap on region, and from here you will have to select your country in which you are living right now. So guys, select your current country, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to open your settings again, and from here tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on sign out. So guys, sign out your Apple ID for one time and then restart your device and then sign back again and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the final solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to contact Apple Support for more help. So guys, you will have to simply contact Apple Support and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you. So guys, after all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.